Hello guys, in today's video I actually want to show you guys something really cool. It's actually about a different channel, Blender Zone. I recently saw this guy's channel and his works are actually really amazing. And I wanted to tell you guys about it so you go check them out and possibly subscribe because you should really subscribe to his channel because he's really creating good videos. Like he's really making good renders. And the one of my favorites is the one he recently did. When I saw it, I was like, wow. Then he made this mosquito looking robot. He has actually been making lots of robotic stuffs. The only thing I'm not satisfied with is the fact that he's not telling us anything. It's just a time-lapse videos he's been making, so you have to just manage for now. Maybe there are reasons why he probably doesn't have the equipment to actually record. That is why he's doing it this way. But then I hope that soon enough he's able to get the stuff he needs to really create amazing videos for us. He even actually made a next-gen render. And then he has made a crab robot, the next-gen robot. He even made a car some time ago. And he made Wall-E. I watched the Wall-E animation. He also did that, the robots in that video. Then he did this ground drilling animation. He also did a centipede. I think one that looks like a centipede. He's really done a lot. And I hope you can go to his channel and check him out. And the link to his channel is in the description. So please check him out. Thank you.